Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have one of these KAWAII squeezes to open, and if you're wondering, I am not going to tell them right now, but I'm super duper excited, and apparently these are series 2. So I'm super duper excited about them, and there are some new ones, and too bad because I have not seen the burger, but I really love the s'mores and the pizza, and I'm hoping I'm not going to do okay. So let's open it. Okay guys, so I finally got all of the tape off. They put an excessive amount, so I'm super excited. Let's see again. Oh no! Oh, it's so cute! And it is a new one. So we got these at Justice for a really good deal, and oh my gosh, it's adorable. And the package is super clear. Oh, it smells super sweet. And sticky. That is awesome. And look at the sprinkles. So I'm super duper happy I got a new one. Those are the stickers. And if you guys are wondering, I also found a squishy stand in the mall. So it was called Silly Squishies, and that's super awesome, and I got this squirrel. Isn't it awesome? Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below what squishy you like better. My squirrel got from Silly Squishies, or this one I got from KAWAII SQUEEZIES. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!